Switching gears, Occidental Petroleum in focus today after reporting weaker than expected quarterly results. Keep in mind, Warren Buffett shot down speculation about taking full control of the oil company. He shot down that speculation over the weekend. Ines Ferre joins us now, though, with fresh details from the company's earnings call. Ines, let's get right into this. What are your top takeaways from the call?
Yeah, Diane, the top takeaways are, one is that the miss on the top and the bottom line really overshadowed production for the company, which is something that Occidental Petroleum management highlighted on the call, that production topped its midpoint production guidance for the first quarter. The company raised its full year production guidance. CEO Vicki Hollub highlighted Oxy's strong well performance in the Permian Basin and also Occidental's highest quarterly production in over a decade in the Gulf of Mexico. The second point, and I would say that this is probably the most important point that was over and over talked about during the call, is that Occidental Petroleum is prioritizing spending money on share buybacks. And one analyst asked executives if excess cash flow, whether the company would put that towards share buybacks or perhaps towards growth. The answer was share buybacks. Vicki Hollub saying any incremental cash flow that they generate would go to share repurchases, and beyond that, the redemption of preferred stocks. Now, it's notable that the company spent about $750 million on common share buybacks. That accounts for more than 25% of its $3 billion share repurchase program. And that triggered the redemption of preferred stock to the tune of $650 million. Now, management said over and over that their capital is disciplined, their strategy is disciplined, agnostic of the commodity volatility, and that they are very committed to these share buybacks. And then the last thing that I would highlight from the call is inflation, their commentary about inflation, and basically saying that they are seeing signs of tempered inflation. Yes, there is still wage inflation, but they are seeing sort of a plateauing, so to speak. And they are also talked about partially offsetting inflation pressures by faster completion of pumping, operational efficiencies, and reducing certain operating costs.
So Ines, time to get to the vibe check. How do you rate the call?
Yeah, I would rate it a 1 for being on message, on point with the share buyback. That is a priority of theirs, and they will continue to do that, and that will trigger the redemption of preferred equity. So yes, on point for that. Definitely got the message across.
All right, Ines Ferre with the latest on Occidental Petroleum. We'll continue to watch that one. Thank you so much, Ines.
Thanks.